Alright, tech lovers, today we have a face-off between two giants in the foldable phone world, the Samsung Fold 6 and the Google Pixel 9 Fold. Let's dive into the details and see who comes out on top. First up, the design. The Samsung Fold 6 boasts a sleek design with a large outer screen and a dynamic 7.6-inch AMOLED inner display. It's stylish, sturdy, and definitely has a premium feel. On the other hand, the Google Pixel 9 Fold comes in a slightly smaller size, featuring a 7.4-inch OLED screen. It's lighter and easier to carry around, which some of you might prefer. In terms of performance, the Fold 6 packs the powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. This phone is a beast, handling demanding tasks like gaming and multitasking without breaking a sweat. The Pixel 9 Fold, on the other hand, is equipped with the Tensor G3 chip. It's not just fast, but also optimized for AI performance, making it a winner for those who love AI-powered features and a smooth camera experience. Speaking of the camera, the Fold 6 boasts a triple camera setup with a 50-megapixel primary lens, delivering stunning high-resolution photos. But let's not forget about the Pixel 9 Fold. Its 48-megapixel camera, enhanced with Google's AI technology, truly shines in low-light conditions. If you're a fan of smart photography, the Pixel 9 Fold might just be the perfect fit. Now let's talk battery life. The Samsung Fold 6 comes with a 400 mAh battery and supports 25-watt fast charging. Pretty good, right? But the Pixel 9 Fold steps it up a notch with a larger 600 mAh battery and faster 30-watt charging. For power users, this could be a game changer. So what's the final verdict? Design-wise, the Samsung Fold 6 is perfect for those who crave a large and versatile screen. But if you prefer something lighter and more portable, the Pixel 9 Fold takes the cake. Performance-wise, the Fold 6's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 is great for heavy lifting, while the Pixel 9 Fold's Tensor G3 excels in AI features and camera performance. For camera enthusiasts, the Fold 6 delivers high-quality photos, but the Pixel 9 Fold's AI capabilities offer a smarter and arguably more professional photography experience. And battery life? The Pixel 9 Fold takes the lead with its larger battery and faster charging, although the difference might not be as noticeable for average day-to-day use. So, there you have it. Choosing between the Samsung Fold 6 and the Pixel 9 Fold really comes down to your personal preferences in a foldable phone. What do you guys think? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more phone comparisons. Catch you in the next one.